Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with this book. This is the book of Mr. Amal Agarwal for class 11 CBSE board, code number 241. We were dealing with the exercise 6.4, going to at end. We are going to finish this. Now we will, in next video, we will start the new chapter that will be related with the addition of the geometrical progressions. Okay? This is exercise 6.4 of ML Agarwal. Class 11th, code 241. Question number 21. Question is, an insect population in a growing in such a way that each generation is 2.5 times as larger as the previous one. It means increase in the generation is by 2.5 times of the previous year. It means at present, if generation is A, it means at the end of the next year, it will be A into 2.5% more. It increased the 2.5 times, sorry. An insect population is growing in such a way that each generation is 2.5 times as larger as the previous one. It means this is the first term, this is the second year, the generation of the population of the insect will be A times 2.5, and third year it will be A into 2.5 was the previous and into 2.5, and so on, so on, so on, so on. Okay, it means it is just equal to A into 2.5, A into 2.5 square. Next may A into 2.5 cube, and so on, so on. It is in the form of geometrical mean. Okay, well, this is the generation at the beginning of the year. If there are 10,000 insects in the first generation, it means A is given to us, first generation, 10,000 insects were there. How many are there in the fifth generation? Fifth generations may console. This is the first generation. We are having this. This is the second generation. This is the third generation, power 2. Fourth generation, power 3. It is fifth generation. The insect amount will be A into 2.5 to the power 4. That is 1,000 or 10,000 into 2.5 to the power 4. This is okay. This is 410, so that it will get reduced. We'll get only 25 into 25 into 25 into 25, because these 40 will cancel these points, and this is 625 into 625. We can obtain it by multiplying it. Can obtain here calculations. 625 into 625. This will be the net amount of the insect at the for the fifth generation. This will be the answer. This was very simple. Simply you have to make the equations. Okay? So that I think it will be very easy for you. Now I am going to calculate the another question, that is 23rd. Question number 23rd. This will be 9, sorry. 5, 5, 10. Okay, this will be 9. Okay, answer will be this. Now question number 23rd. 23rd is, a manufacturer remarked that the value of a machine which was cost him of rupees, cost of the machine, it was given to us 5,6,200 rupees. This was the cost, initial cost of the machine, will depreciate each by 20%. Each year depreciation rate of depreciation is by 20% every year. हर साल 20% reduce होती है. It means at the end of the first year, the value will be equal to 80% of this 56,200. It gets depreciated. It means second year may the beginning of the second year, the value of the machine becomes 80% of the original cost at the beginning of the first year. Okay. We have to find the estimate cost at the end of the third year. देखिए, now you have to pay attention over here. This is a starting year. The cost of this is 500, 56,200. Start of the year. This is the beginning of the second year, end of the second, end of the first. Okay. This is end of the second. This is end of the third. It means first, second, third, fourth term is to be obtained. First term, this is the end of the first, it means starting of the second. End of the second, it means starting of the third. End of the third, it means starting of the fourth. It means here 80% reduce. This value will be 80% of this. This value will be 80% of this. It means this, and this value will be 80% of previous. It means we can say that this is A. It means A into 80%. This will be A into 80 into 80, 2 times 80%. And this will be the end of the third year. It means starting with the fourth year will be A into 80 into 80 into 80%. It means we will get here the value of A is equal to 5,6,200 into 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. Okay, these 3 points get cancelled and we have to simply multiply this 562 56.2 into 64 into 8. Okay, now we can, now calculation is doing here. We are doing the calculations. 56.2 into 64. That is and then further 8. 1 kilowatt point, this is point. This will be 28. Okay. Answer will be 288 2877.44. This will be the value of the machine at the end of the third year. This is the starting of the first year, end of the first year. It means starting with the second year. End of the second year, it means starting of the third year. End of the third year is the starting of the fourth year. It means we have to find the value of AR to the power 4 because this is a fourth term. So AR to the power 3. Sorry, AR to the power 3. That is why this R is equal to 80%. 3 times AR. A into 3 times R cube. R is equal to what? 80%. This is to be fine. Okay. Now this exercise has been closed now. Everything is finished in this exercise. Now I'm going to start the new exercise just next to this. That is related with the summary of the geometrical populations. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Thanks for watching my video. And don't please forget to give me thumbs up, some subscribe. Okay. Thank you. Good night.